Hi, my name is Tay and I have been crocheting ever since I can remember. I've shared a lot of my projects that I've made on here over the years, but this is my first ever follow along beginner friendly tutorial. In this video, we're going to be making a checkered granny square. This easy granny square is the perfect accent for bags, hats, sweaters, totes, or any other granny square project that you might be working on. So without further ado, let's go.
5mm crochet hook, 2 skeins of yarn.
First row, we're going to do a double crochet into the third chain with color A. We're going to continue to do 3 more double crochet in the back chain of the foundation for the next 3 chains. For the rest of this pattern, after every 4th double crochet in one color, we're going to change to the next. So we're going to work for this. I typically do a color change halfway through the last double crochet. Here I'm showing you the first 3 double crochet that I have for this first round and how I'm going to do the color change.
And now we're going to wrap it around like we're going to do another double crochet. Insert through the back loop of the chain, pull through 1, wrap around to pull through 2 for the second double crochet, stop right there. I'm going to take the white color and wrap it around and pull through with the white color. I'm also going to take the black and tighten it just for that's better. All right, now we're going to do the same with the white, holding both tails. Go under, through the loop, pull through 1, loop over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2 with color B. Loop over, pull through 1, over, pull through 2, loop over, pull through 2, and continue. 1, pull over, pull through 2, pull over, pull through 2. All right, and this is the last one, so we're going to do a color change again. Pull under, pull over, loop over, pull through 2, stop. I'm going to pull this to make sure that this is taut. Beautiful. So now we're going to switch. Drop the white, pick up the black, pull through 2. And now we have a seamless transition at the top. We're going to keep switching back and forth. Insert the through the back chain. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Through the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 2.
Continue crocheting, remembering to change the color at the end of every 4th double crochet, and I'll meet you at the end of the row to show you how I turn. Pull both tails prior to your color changes. I'm going to end up chaining once with both colors so that way I can have both yarn tails at the start of this new round.
So I'm going to chain 1 with the black, and then chain another one. That's to bring the back up. And we're going to do it again. Wrap it around and double crochet. Double crochet, double crochet.
For this round, it's going to be the exact same as the one under it. We're going to double crochet white on top of the white previously and black on top of the black previously. Again, remembering to change the color after every 4th double crochet.
Double crochet. And now drop the white, pick up the black. Pull through 2 with the black. Color change successful. Pow, pow, pow. Okay, let me show you. So like you guys can see the back of what I can see. This is what I see when I look at it. There's no like puckering or anything through the sides, and I'm not actually going to turn. So what I'm going to do now is pull, 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 and then the puckering ends. So I'm going to drop it because I'm ready for the color change now. And then color change acquired. And then we're going to keep going. I don't personally pull the black through right away because I don't necessarily think that it's important. It's kind of just do it at the end of right before the color change. Again, puckering, pull. You can also adjust the color change. So what I'm going to do is pull through 2 with the last, because I do this every time. Keep the black down, and we're using the white now because we did 2 rows. Every 2 rows, we're going to start a new square. So I did a chain to get only the white here, and we're going to start double crocheting again. 1. I don't count the chain 2 at the beginning as a stitch. Change color to black, keep it going, and this is going to create the checkered pattern. And I'm going to, every 2 rows, we're going to start with the opposite color. So I'll show you in a second. Look. So the first 2 rows were black. This row 3 starts with color B, which is white. Color A first 2 rows, color B second 2 rows, pull through. So then row 4 will also start with whatever row color row 3 ends in.
For the remaining rows, we are going to continue the pattern by repeating the previous rows, remembering to change the color every 4th double crochet and alternating the start color of every other row at the end of the row before. I ended the pattern when I had 6 completed squares across and up. In other words, after I completed 12 rows.
Okay, so I have this checkerboard granny square. I finished 1. I'm going to do 2 for this vest.
You have it. This is just the pattern and frequency I like for my squares. You can change absolutely anything about this. You can up the amount of double crochets that you want to do across, so you can make the squares thicker, or you can make them smaller if you want. You could even try adding a 3rd color to do more of a gingham style, which would be really cool too. I really like making my squares looking like this, and I think they make the perfect accent pieces. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. I have a couple more accent videos coming up for granny square projects, and I'd love to see you all soon. Bye.